Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your photography and video content to the next level, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to be talking about the collapsible 2.4x4m background frame with photography green folded for TikTok Live Photo Studio Kit Chroma-key green screen frame. This background frame is an absolute game changer for anyone looking to create professional looking content. Whether you're a content creator, a photographer, or just someone who loves taking awesome pictures, this frame is a must-have. The collapsible design makes it incredibly easy to set up and take down, so you can take it with you anywhere you go. The 2.4x4m size is perfect for creating a seamless background for your photos and videos, and the photography green screen allows for easy editing and customization in post-production. Whether you're shooting a product demo, a tutorial, or just some fun TikTok videos, this background frame will take your content to the next level. The chroma-key green screen makes it easy to superimpose images and videos, adding a whole new level of creativity to your work. So, if you're ready to step up your content game, make sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the collapsible 2.4x4m background frame with photography green folded for TikTok Live Photo Studio Kit Chroma-key green screen frame. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shooting!